Hello student, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to start our first lesson, which is our country in the world, page number 1 and 2. The map below shows the continents of Europe, Asia and Africa. Pakistan is strategically located as a link between the bloc to the west and north and the South Asian countries to the east. So if you look at your page number 1, then you will find a map on this page. These are the South Asian countries, these are the European countries, or these are the African countries. So this is the map of our world. So if you can see here the location of Pakistan. Pakistan is located as a block in link between the South Asian countries, and if you see around this Pakistan, then you will find that all these countries are Muslim. So our country is Muslim, but we are on the world map, this is South Asian countries. Also note the location of Saudi Arabia in relation to Islamic countries around it. What does this explain about the spread of Islam? So if you find the location of Saudi Arabia on your map, then you will come to know that Saudi Arabia is located in the center of Islamic bloc, and that's why it gradually spread the Islam in their neighboring countries. Page number 2. This map shows the subcontinent and its neighboring countries. The subcontinent is largely shut off from the rest of Asia by deserts in the west and by Hindu Kush, the Karakoram and Himalaya mountains in the northwest and north. So here is another map which is of Pakistan and its neighboring country. So these are all the neighboring countries of Pakistan. Some of these are end with the deserts, but some of these in the northwest and west are end with the Himalayas, Karakoram and other mountain ranges. So these are here the all mountain ranges. All through history, very important travel routes to or from the rest of Asia. Routes mean a line of road or a path, and from the rest of Asia have passed through it because of passes through these mountains. These mountains are very important. Why? Because most of routes are passes through them, from which the traveler came to different countries. They went to different countries to not just to trade their goods, but also they help to spread Islam in their neighboring countries. In the west, so now we will discuss about the main three passes which cross through these mountain ranges. In the west, the Khyber Bolan passes leads to Afghanistan. The Khyber Bolan Pass is located in the northwest of Pakistan, and this Bolan Pass leads to Afghanistan. It means it connects Pakistan to Afghanistan and other Central Asian countries or to Iran. In the north, the Khanjra Pass, which is 4,700 meters, lead to China. So it connects to lead or China. Important points. Pakistan is strategically located as a link between the Islamic bloc to west and north and the South Asian countries to the east. The map shows the continent or subcontinent and its neighboring countries, which is on page number 2, and you can easily find Pakistan and its neighboring countries. Pakistan is in the northwest of the subcontinent. So location of Pakistan is, it is located in the northwest of the subcontinent. In the west, the Khyber and Bolan passes leads to Afghanistan and on to Iran, Central Asia and even Europe. So here Khyber Bolan passes lead to Afghanistan while the Bolan passes leads to Iran, Central Asia and even Europe. In the north, if we see in the north side, then the Khajuraho Pass leads to China. Here are some new words below at the lower place. Spread, distributed or dispersed. Spread means फैल जाना. Subcontinent are large and distinctive. Distinctive means खास या कोई मखसूस. Land masses located, situated in a particular position. Shut off. Shut off means किसी चीज का stop कर देना या उसको end करना. So shut off, stop or end. History related to past. Routes, a line of road or a path. So here is your class activity. Look at map and write down the names of Islamic countries and South Asian countries. Islamic countries Iraq, Qatar, Afghanistan. South Asian countries Pakistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bhutan. You can also find many of names when you see on your map. Home activity. Learn and write the new words and their meanings and following question answers. Where are most Islamic countries located? Why are they in this part of the world? Second one is, in which parts of the world are there no Islamic countries? So in Europe, Australia or America, there are no Islamic country on the world. So this is your first lesson. Hope you guys will understand it. And next time I will see you with the next topic. So for this, take care. God bless you.